Hello everyone, good morning. So welcome back to this next video tutorial, and I hope that you are learning from the videos that I have uploaded, because it is really made for you. Okay, and I spent time making this video in order for you to learn, and I hope you are learning through this video. Okay, so the topic for today is about algebra, basic algebra. So when we say algebra, sometimes we have this mind setting that talking about algebra is actually hard, but no, actually it's very simple, especially if you know the basic. So it's very important for you to know the basic, and this is the basic that we will be learning at this time. Okay, so algebra, talking about variables and expressions. So let's describe some of the words, terms that will be used in algebra, so that your teachers, when your teachers talk something about like these terms here, then you will not be confused. Okay, you can understand right away what the teacher is talking because you know the vocabulary. So it's very important for you to know the vocabulary of algebra, and in any math concepts you have to know the vocabulary so that you will be able to follow on what the teachers are talking. Okay, so let's start. First is variable. What is a variable? It is something that represents the problem, or something that represents a number. So this variable is taken from the letters in the alphabet. Any letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, until Z. You can use it as variables in a problem or in an equation, or in an algebraic expressions. Okay, so that's variables. That's why when you see like x plus y, y plus 2, z times f, or z times 4, so z is the variable. The letters there in the given equation, they are called the variables. Next is algebraic expressions. So when a mathematical sentence includes variable, there's number, and there is at least one mathematical operation like plus, minus, division, subtraction, then division, multiplication, then we can call it as an algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expressions. That's why we call this algebra. Algebra is one of the branch of mathematics that deals with representations and solving problems and other mathematical problems. Okay, so that's algebraic expressions. The third vocabulary is term. What is a term? It is an algebraic expression separated by a plus or minus sign. So in this example here, okay, so here see y. In this example, our expression is 2x plus y plus 4. You see, y is our variable, or even x is also the variable in this expression. Okay, and term, when we say term, it is an expression that is algebraic expression that is separated by plus or minus sign. So let's say I will change this into minus. Okay, so plus or minus, so it means this is one term in an algebraic expression. Okay, so this one is one term, one term, one term. So that is called term. Okay, that's the term we use in algebra. Okay, so don't be confused. Terms is also used sometimes in language subjects, English subjects. Number 4, vocabulary is coefficient. Coefficient. What is coefficient? Okay, this is the number. Okay, that's the factor that contains the number. Okay, the factor that contains, or the numerical factor that contains the number. For example, 2x. Okay, so our coefficient is 2. Okay, in other words, in a layman term, coefficient is the number in front of the variable. Okay, the number in front of the variable. So in this case, in front of x is 2. So therefore 2 is our coefficient. How about y? Y, there's no number there. I'll tell you this. In algebra, if you cannot see numbers there, is automatic 1. Okay, that's automatic 1. So therefore, in y, the coefficient is 1. Okay? Okay, so this is a continuation. I hope the camera will continue. It was cut off a while ago. So now, next to coefficient is constant. Constant is the number, the only number in the algebraic expression, in an algebraic expression. So it means constant doesn't have a pair, no letters, nothing, only number. It means constant. So now, let's proceed with our application. Okay? If x equals 4, y equals 2, then what is x plus 3? So our x, we know that 4. So it means 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, so the answer is 7. How about 8y? 8y, if numbers are paired with letters, it means they are times. So, like for example, 7c, it means 7 times c. Okay? But in algebra, we cannot use x to represent times because it also represents a variable. So we can use a decimal in the middle. Not decimal, but a dot in the middle. Okay? Big dot, bigger than the decimal. And so y is 2. So it means 8 times 2 equals 16. Okay? Number 3, x plus y, it means 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 6 is the answer. Number 4, 20 divided by x, x is 4. So it means 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay? So this is how you evaluate expressions, and these are the terms you use in algebraic expressions. I hope you remember this, and if you have questions, you can ask me, message me in line or in Facebook if you have contact with me, and I will answer you. Okay? God bless, and I hope that this topic will help you as you grow and as you do your assignments.